What's going on? I am back again. I told y'all the content has to roll out. I can't stop. I have to keep going crazy non-stop. Drop a like, please, right now. This is the first time you probably ever seen anyone do content like this before. This is a different style 2K video. I'm going to pride myself on bringing you guys different style 2K videos, whether it's teaching, anything to help. Okay, first off, I want to teach you guys how to shoot NBA 2K 24. Now, we know that 2K has the timings where your shot timing changes now. So I want you guys to watch my thumb. This is the actual thumb hand cam, all right? Now, instead of pressing down on your thumb, everybody has a certain way they press it. Like my one cousin, he holds the controller like this. Some people play claw and they press the buttons like this. They go like this, right? So everybody has a different comfort level. That's meaning if a person wants to use this finger instead of his thumb, that means he's more comfortable pressing the buttons with his index finger. He feels like he has more control. And literally, we're all different humans, guys. Be different sometimes. Try something out new. Try a new jump shot. You know, try something new sometimes to change so you can get new results. All right, now watch this. Right? When we're shooting at NBA 2K23, what's one of the key factors we know about? Oh, well, I gotta shoot it first. What's one of the key factors we know about this game when it comes to shooting? The stamina bar is so key. When you start to lower the stamina bar right here, your shot starts to get slower, right? You start to get more animated, meaning you'll get a little sluggish. You can feel a little sluggish movement. So depend on your stamina matters too as well. So I always tell people to get an easy, instant boost to your shooting. Go 99 stamina. Because when you're holding on, some people just have a bad habit of holding on turbo too much, just using too much turbo, and they're not able to do anything, all right? So first off, in OG's class, we're going to give you guys the first drill that I do to get my shot on point. Now, this is a muscle memory drill. It's going to help you guys very, very much. All I want you to do is run right, get your turbo down to where the bar is like halfway, okay? And then I want you guys to shoot, all right? Your shot will get slower, but this is to help you get the muscle memory. I'm basically penalizing you guys by doing this, right? I'm standing up, so it's kind of hard for me to shoot and knock down my shots, but I'm basically penalizing you guys to do this. And I want you guys to find the rhythm. There's a certain rhythm that you only can hit shots when you're tired like this, when you actually find that cue and that timing. It's a certain rhythm that you have to time your shot on. That's good. I felt that, right? And once you're doing this, I want you to run all over spots. Give yourself like 20 reps. Half bar. Shoot like this. Why train if you're just gonna, okay, I'm gonna just wait till my stamina's full? No, right? Why train? Once you're down to, your stamina bar won't go up. So it's easy just to do this. This is what I do to train myself and get myself right. So when I'm shooting in game, it's like nothing. And when y'all be seeing me shoot, y'all know, y'all be like, damn, I'm going crazy. Somebody thought I had a Zen. Okay, we off of that now. Next is a muscle memory. Gem, all right? Now, when you shoot, right, look at my thumb when I shoot. Okay, watch. You see how my player's reaching like that? I want you guys to practice this alone. Yes, I'm just like Master Miyagi off of, what is it called? Karate Kid. When he's like, why you got me doing this? But this is muscle memory. That's the same exact animation when you're shooting the shot. The only thing you have to do is just coordinate your footwork together. Okay? And you hear that snap. Listen to that snap on your controller. Look, if I press it like this. This is how some people be. They'll be dribbling. Oh, well, I made that one. See, it's just I'm so natural with it. It's hard for me to like mess up. All right, let me see. They'll be like, hold on it a little longer. There we go. I missed that one. Boom. I held on it long, right? You want to make sure you get that nice rhythm, right? So just practice that. To shoot, I would say kind of move your thumb away too. Do that. Give yourself a little thumb away motion. All right? Just so you can get that natural feel. So when you're shooting, it comes like riding a bike. You're not holding it too long. You're not releasing it too fast, okay? So that's the first two little muscle memory drills, right? You see how my thumb is. When you see it, when I shoot too, it's kind of like the same way too. When I shoot, I'm trying to look at it at the same time. But give yourself that thumb motion to hop off like that. Some people, they're holding on to the controller too long when they're shooting. Their jump shot's too slow. They're releasing it too fast, okay? That nice little rhythm like that. All right, now I want to get into some more deeper details because I feel like that's just the natural part of it. Look, I'm gonna do it again with y'all. Look, and I'm gonna actually just try to use my thumb, just my thumb only, okay? The same motion I was doing. So I'm gonna have my hand like this. Boom. I hear that little click. You hear it? I'm telling you guys, like, and you have to match the click sound that you're hearing up to your player's motion in game. I know some of you may have the headset on, whatever. You'll get used to it, right? But you want to match that up. So even if you want to practice, just like practice getting that thumb motion right. Boom. Practice getting that right, okay? Give yourself some of those without holding on the controller, without doing anything extra. Just give yourself some of those reps. Then you get the controller back. Because when you're moving and you gotta, oh snap, and you're looking at yourself and you gotta stop and shoot, that's a whole different lane, like, you know. So I'm gonna show you guys the jump shot because I know some people will be like, well, shooting for me is a jump shot. I feel like it's not all the same. It's definitely not all the same because different jump shots just have different timing releases, and some of them may be better on different player shots. You know what I mean? Some of them may be different. The jump shot I've been using, the base I've been using is very balanced though. Very, very balanced. You just have to really understand all the windows. And I get it because there's times I miss certain shots and I'm like, but then I understand that's 2K's rhythm. That's the game. A lot of times when I'm shooting certain shots, like when I'm doing like moves like that, shots like these, behind the back and then to shoot off of that is so hard for players. So hard. And it's because of how 2K changed their timing up. I'm going to make a different video on that, but I'm actually going to have it to where I stop and pause it and actually show you the releases. I feel like it'll be better. So I have a video coming soon next on to that, helping you guys with shooting. All right. Game is really just a rhythm game, and they have the windows critique. Like if you shoot a shot like this, boom, right here, a shot like that is going to be harder than a normal shot because I'm doing it off the dribble, off the rhythm. And 2K is adding new technologies to the game to register that in, you know, guys. So they're going to make sure that you have to make sure you're crisp on that timing. Remember what I told y'all back in the day with 2K, right? Back in the day, why you think everybody loved the 2Ks back in the day? Because it was easier to shoot. They gave you free greens that time. If you just, all you have to do is get close to that bar. Imagine like there's an imaginary centerpiece that 2K is wanting you to reach. Once you get to that centerpiece and you let's say you stop it like just the right in the middle, but you a little bit off. 2K, I'm telling y'all, bro, they used to give us free greens. That's why we had whites. I had to scratch my head and think about it. Like back in the day, we actually had whites. People are forgetting that we're at an all green game now, and it's like people hate it more. It's like people would have rather had the whites. We actually had whites back in the day. All right, that actually. When I think about it, bro, and I get past all the hate that 2K has right now, it's just a harder game. They made the game more hard. How they changed animations, etc. Look, here's the base that I'm using, Sterlington Brown, okay? Me, I feel like it's one of the best bases in the game. It's very balanced. Even when you look at it, C, B+, C+, B. That's if I just use the jump shot alone, but it's very balanced. I like that smoothness that it has in it. And this is what I went. The release, man, I be spraying with this jump shot is disgusting. Okay, release speed at A. You see how I have my bounce? This jump shot's already a medium speed jump shot, but what I did was I sped the jump shot up, made the release speed at A. You see the release height C+, so we still get an arc on it. Smooth jump shot. Defensive immunity B+, timing stability B-. And this is for a 6-7 build. I know how shooting is so much harder because it's like, yo, if you don't have this build, if you're not this height, you don't got this jump shot, you don't got that jump shot. I get it. I get it. It's not like the old days no more where everybody's just rocking base. What was it, 95 jump shot? What was that? Y'all know what I'm talking about. It's not like the old days, you know. They doing us bad. Now, you guys see the jump shot, right? You guys see how I have the jump shot blending. Instead, some people like A+. I feel like you gotta be skilled to use that. A is the smooth point, you know. Then I want to show you guys the last part of it too. What else I'm using? Right here, set point. So you guys can see what I'm on. I'm on set point, okay? Everything on the screen. So now look. When you come back to here, practice the drills I showed you. It's going to help. Trust me. Especially the drill where you waste the turbo out. Now look, let me waste my turbo out. I'm sitting down now, so it's easier. It's easier for me to do this. Boom, waste my turbo out. Stop right here. Bang. I can feel it. I can feel it. Waste my turbo out, right? Give myself 2 moves. Do the moves that I usually do in game. Boom, right here. That's off. I felt that. This is how you get yourself right, though. Shooting like this. In here, in this my core thing. Because there's no hot spots helping you. There's nothing. You see, I could just, as soon as I'm blinking, that's it. It's no hot spots helping you. It's no nothing. We gonna let myself charge up just a little bit. Just a tad bit. All right, just a tad bit. I'll be doing like shit like that. Y'all see how I'll hezzy combo up and shoot real quick. Just shoot real fast off the shot. Boom. I practice my step backs even when I'm tired right here. Y'all see I shoot that a lot in the game too. All that. I'm telling you, you do this now. When you're in game, you can even hit the red ones too. You can hit the red ones too. I really don't do that because it's just 2K just throws you off so much when you're blinking. There's no tireless scorer anymore. You just have your stamina. So your recharge rate, you see how my bar's going up? You just have a recharge rate with your stamina. Okay? Boom. Behind the back again. Catch it. Like it's certain times too when your moves end. It's like timers on top of your moves. Like people got to realize that. Again, I hit moves like. So once you practice that, this is really like my biggest thing to help players. We're gonna end it off here now. Hot spots. Internet connection. You at least need to be wired to have the best experience of shooting. Y'all see, I still miss and can have games where I miss a lot. Not really, like, but there's games where I can miss too. I'm like, damn, I'm missing. And I have wired connection. So I couldn't imagine somebody that's on wireless trying to shoot. And you don't have the best connection. Okay? I couldn't imagine. I feel bad for you. Alright? So, this was just me giving you guys gems. Your internet is so important. Having a wired connection, wired. Hot spots. You don't have your hot spots this year. Mike Wayne's serious about hot spots this year. You don't have your hot spots this year. Guess what? You're going to get different timings. You have to hold your timing longer, actually, is what I came to find out without having hot spots. You have to hold your timing actually longer. You have your hot spots, easy greens, automatics. Okay? You have your hot spots, easy. All right? So I hope this video helped you guys. I got more coming soon. Next is the defensive tutorial. I've been tired of how people been slacking on defense. Like nobody cares about defense in NBA 2K. Y'all hit that like, subscribe. I'll see y'all in the next one.